Hey guys, my name is Marshmallow and this is my fourth video on my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to be showing you to do today is this cute little bunny box. It's really cute because Easter's right around the corner and we kind of want to do some more stuff that are DIY because we can't go out of our homes due to the pandemic. So this is what you will be needing for your little bunny box. And I mean, you can put anything you want in here. Sorry for my voice. I got a little sore throat, but I'm fine. And you can literally put anything you want in here. So what you're first going to need is any little box. I used one of these boxes from a little cereal thing. And it could be any size. I just have this size for now to show you guys. Another thing you will be needing is any markers. This is optional. You can use color pencils and crayons and pencils and anything you want, but I'm going to be using markers. If you don't have these, it's optional, but you will be using, again, googly eyes. Another thing you'll need is a glow stick. Again, this one's optional and you can use a pom-pom. Trigger warning, we will be using scissors. You'll also be needing paper. And if you don't have any glue stick, you could just use tape. So the first thing you're going to be using is you're going to be getting your little box and trimming out these edges. Mine has a little line, as you can see, so I'm just not going behind the line or something, I guess. And I'm just going to be cutting these carefully. As you can see, I'm just trimming the small parts. And then you'll have a box like this. The next thing you're going to be doing is grabbing, a piece of paper, and you're going to be just wrapping it around your box. It could be any color. And if you don't have any paper in hand, you can always use paint or any markers that won't go through. As you can see, I am just wrapping it around. So I grabbed some glue and now I'm just going to carefully glue it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you kind of just want to try to do it perfect. And you're going to do that to all of the sides. When you almost have it all around, make sure to get your paper and just add your glue. You barely see it, but it's there. And you're carefully going to wrap it around. Just try to do it as careful as possible. When you have it all, it would probably look like this. And what you're going to do, trigger warning, you're going to be getting your scissors. Just cutting the excess off. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just cut as much as the big parts. So then we can get to the real details, like cutting it carefully around here. What I recommend doing to not cut a lot of it, just cut the edges and then fold them down and just cut them. Like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you kind of want it like this. Now, to make the head of our bunny, I recommend a little bit more thick paper to do it. As I was saying, you're just going to cut a circle that is probably as big as the hole in the tape. And this is how it's supposed to look. And then you're just going to glue it right here. You grab a little bit of glue, and you're just going to put it at the tip, and then you're going to be gluing it like this. So it looks like this. With the excess paper you have, fold it in half, and you're going to be doing this. You're going to be going here, and you're just going to cut it in a leaf shape. So then you have your ears. if you can't see it well, like that. And we're gonna go to the back and just glue them. If you don't understand me, you're just gonna put glue at the back and glue it like this. When you're done with that, it's time for the coloring part. Okay guys, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in the middle and draw like a little triangle shape like we did in our last video drawing the bunny. And this is how it's supposed to look. This other part is optional, but you can grab a Sharpie or any black marker and do lines like this, like we did in our last video to draw our bunny. And just do the polka dots and the lines for its whiskers. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab glue on here and you're just going to glue your eyes on this. Okay guys, so what you're going to do is you're just going to glue them and you're going to have the bunny like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab a marker or anything, this is optional, and you're just going to do these lines here to draw like the bunny's, I forgot what it's called, but you just want to do that. Now that you have that, you're going to be drawing a oval circle here for the rabbit's tummy. And what you're going to do next is you're going to grab a piece of paper and you're going to, trigger warning again, you're going to grab your scissors and cut 2 pieces that are smaller than the head. You kind of want it to be a little small, like this, so you can add it here for the hands, well, the paws. And you just want to do 2 more for down here. So as you can see, I did my 4. And you're just going to glue 2 right here and 2 down here like that. So when you're done, you're just going to do the shape as paws, like that. The last thing you're going to do is just glue the pom-pom on the back, like that. And now you have your bunny. And this is how they'll turn out. You can add candy or anything inside the little boxes. Well, that is it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, MarshmallowxX. Bye guys!